In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a BOTIM card. First, let's start by opening the BOTIM app. When you do this, you will see the home screen that greets you with various features. This is where you can access all the tools and functionalities of the app. Opening the app is the first step toward managing your finances effectively. It sets the stage for everything else you will do. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you are new. This will make the next steps easier and more intuitive for you. Once the app is open, look for the option labeled Wallet or Money. This icon is typically located at the bottom of your screen. When you tap on Wallet, it will take you to a dedicated section where you can manage your funds. This area is crucial because it allows you to monitor your spending, view your balance, and recharge your wallet. Finding this feature is essential for navigating your financial transactions within BOTIM smoothly. Next, you will click on Bills and Charges. This option gives you access to various services where you can manage payments. It is important to note that this step connects you to the recharging process. By selecting Bills and Charges, you are indicating your intent to add funds to your wallet. As you navigate this section, you will see various options for managing payments, which can be quite helpful later on. Now tap on Recharge or Add Money. This is where the actual process of adding funds to your wallet begins. When you select this option, you will see different methods for recharging your wallet. It is crucial to choose the right method that suits your needs. This step is vital because it directly impacts how quickly you can access your funds. A smooth recharge ensures that you can continue using your BOTIM services without interruption. From there, select a debit card or another available top-up method. You may see options such as bank transfers or other payment methods. Choosing the right method is essential, as it determines how the funds will be processed and added to your wallet. Make sure you have your debit card details ready if you choose that option. Selecting the right method saves you time and makes your recharge experience seamless. After selecting your payment method, enter the recharge amount. This is the specific amount of money you wish to add to your wallet. Take a moment to double-check this figure before proceeding. It is crucial to input the correct amount, as this will affect your spending power within the app. Entering the right amount also helps you manage your budget effectively. Next, confirm the payment. After you've entered the recharge amount, a prompt will appear for you to verify your details. This step is essential because it ensures that everything is accurate before the transaction is processed. You will see a confirmation screen that summarizes your recharge details. It is important to review this carefully. Confirming your payment means you are ready to proceed with adding funds to your wallet. Finally, wait for the balance to update in your wallet. Once you confirm the payment, the system will process the transaction. You may need to wait a few moments for the changes to reflect. This step is crucial as it ensures that your funds are properly added to your wallet. You will receive a notification or see the updated balance once the recharge is successful. And that wraps up the process of recharging your BOTIM wallet. With these steps, you can easily manage your funds and enjoy all the features that BOTIM offers. Thank you for watching and happy recharging.